Very good morning, students. How are you? Today, we discuss the mathematics of class 9, that is the chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes, right? So, students, we have completed the part 1, and in part 1 we have seen the 13.5, and we have done the question related to the volume of the cube and cuboid, right? So, I hope you all understood what is the formula of the volume of the cube and cuboid, and now you are able to do the exercise 13.5. Today we will see the next part of the topic, that is the exercise 13.6, and in which we will discuss about the cylinder, right? So you can see what is the cylinder, and I have explained you about the surface area of the cylinder in the classroom, right? But this today we will discuss about the volume of the cylinder. On the screen you can see the formula of the volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h, where r, that is the radius of the base of cylinder, and h is the height of the cylinder, right? यहाँ पर जो radius आपको दिख रहा है small r, that is for the base as well as the top. As you know that there is the closed cylinder, right? It may be closed or it may be open. So there are the two bases of the cylinder. So r, that is common for both the bases, top and the bottom, right? So don't be confused about that. And height of the cylinder, that is the small h, right? And along with the formula you can also see the diagram, right, which is the diagram of the cylinder, where the small r is radius of the base and the top, and small d, that is the diameter, and small h, that is the height of the cylinder, right? So this is just the diagram to understand the questions, right? So after understanding the shape of the cylinder and the formula of the cylinder, we will do the first question of the exercise, that is the 13.6, right? So I request you, whenever you see this video, so take pen and paper with you and write down the solution of the question, and also understand, right, the question and as well as the solution, right? So I have prepared the slides for you. So on the screen you can see the exercise 13.6, there is the heading is given, right? Here the exercise 13.6, and you have the question number 1, right? And you can also see the examples which is given in the textbook के जो एग्जाम्पल्स हैं उनको भी आप फॉलो कीजिएगा, तो बहुत ही आपको आसानी होगी. एंड जस्ट कीप द टेक्स्ट बुक विथ योर सेल्फ, सो यू कैन read the question carefully and understand it. So first of all, I want to explain you the question number 1, and then we will go for the solution, right? So what is the question number 1? The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter. Circumference of the base of the cylinder, it is already given, that is the 132 centimeter, and its height is 25 centimeter. You can see here the cylinder, and I have already written the height, that is the 25 centimeter, and the circumference we will write here. So you can see that is the circumference, because the base of the cylinder is circular, so the formula of the circumference of circle is 2 pi r, that is equal to 132 centimeter, right? And how many liter of the water can it hold, right? इस सिलेंडर में कितना पानी हम भर सकते हैं completely, right? वो हमको बताना है, that is the volume of the cylinder. And here for the hint we have the 1000 centimeter cube, that is equal to 1 liter. So if we want to convert the volume of the cylinder from centimeter cube to the liter, so we have this conversion unit, right? So let's do the question. First of all, we have to find the radius, right? Because the circumference of the circular base is given, but we do not have the radius. So just first find the radius by the formula 2 pi r, that is equal to 132. यहाँ पर जो आपको formula दिख रहा है 2 pi r is equal to 132. So on the basis of this formula we can find the radius. So how we can find the radius? Just let's do it, right? So we can write the formula 2 pi r, right? So 2 pi r, you know that what is the pi, right? Pi, that is the 22 upon 7. So we can write 2 into 22 upon 7 multiply r, because radius हमारे पास अभी नहीं है, राइट. तो इस तरीके से वैल्यू लिखेंगे. नाउ वी हैव टू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई दिस वैल्यू. सो सपोज इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई 22 एंड 2, सो वी विल गेट 44/7, राइट. सो यहाँ पर मैं डायरेक्टली इसको रब करके 44/7 लिख देता हूँ, राइट. सो 44/7 दैट इज द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ पाई एंड द 2. इन दोनों वैल्यू का जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा वो 44/7 होगा. व्हेन वी मूव दिस वैल्यू ऑन टू द राइट हैंड साइड, जब हम इस वैल्यू को राइट हैंड साइड पे ले जाएंगे, सो दिस वैल्यू बिकम रेसिप्रोकल, राइट. तो वो वैल्यू क्या होगी वो आप देख लीजिए, राइट. इसकी जो वैल्यू होगी वो हो जाएगी इस तरीके से. सो यू विल गॉट इट, राइट. यहाँ पर अगर आप देखेंगे, सो यू विल गेट r एज इक्वल टू 132, राइट, multiply with 7/44, because that value become reciprocal of the 44/7. Now we have to divide this value, right. Divide this value 44 with 132. Now students, we divide 44 and 132. So we can divide it with 11. So 11 4s are 44 and 11 1s are 11 and 11 2s are 22. So we will get 12 and 4. So 4 again it can divide the 12 by the 3 time, right. So what we have got here is the 3 and here is the 7. So we have to multiply the numerator. So radius will be 21 centimeter, right, because 3 7s are 21. So 21 centimeter that would be the radius. ये हमारा radius होगा. So after getting the radius, we can easily find the volume of the cylindrical vessel. Now students, you can see after finding the radius, right, we have here the radius that is the 21 centimeter. यहाँ पर हमारे पास radius है 21 centimeter. So after getting the radius, we can find the formula. We can write the formula volume of the cylinder, that is equal to pi r square h. Here you can see that pi r square h, and after putting the value of pi, right, so 22/7 multiply with 21, that is the radius. 21 square, it means we have to multiply it with 2 times, and here the height of the cylinder, that is the 25, right. So we can cancel the 7 1s are and 7 3s are. 21 is cancelled 3 times, and the remaining value will be 22, right. It should be multiplied with 21 into 3 into 25, right, into 25. ये हमारे पास वैल्यू बच रही है, राइट. तो so students, here you can see that 22 multiply 3 we will get 66, and if we multiply 21 into 25, so we will get 525. So after the multiplication of these two values, we will get the final volume of the cylinder, that is 34,650 centimeter cube, right. 34,650 centimeter cube, that is the volume of the cylinder. Now we have to convert this volume into the liters, right, because in the question they are asking the volume into the liters, right. So for that we have to use this conversion unit, that is the 1000 centimeter cube, that is equal to 1 liter. So what we can do, 34,650 is divided by the 1000, right. So इसको divide यहाँ पर कर देंगे हम. So students, after dividing the volume into the liters, so we will get 34,650 divided by the 1000, so we will get 34.65 liter, that is the volume of the cylinder. This is the cylinder and this is the volume into the liters, right. So this is the volume, that is into centimeter cube, and we have convert into the liter, so we will get 34.65 liter, that is the final volume of the given cylinder, right friends. So this is the question number 1. Now we will move toward the question number 2, right. So what the question number 2 says that, so first of all we need to understand the question. Here you can see the diagram of the cylinder is given, and you can see the inner radius of the cylinder is 12 centimeter and outer radius, right. Here you can see the outer radius. So outer radius is capital R, that is 14 centimeter, and the height, that is the deepness of the cylinder, that is 35 centimeter. So this dimension, these values are given into the question. You can read the question. The inner diameter of the cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter. This is the wooden pipe in the form of the cylinder, and its outer diameter is the 24 centimeter. यहाँ पर हमारे पास इनर डायमीटर और आउटर डायमीटर दिया है, जिससे हमने यहाँ पर क्या किया है, इनर रेडियस को निकाला. यू कैन सी इनर डायमीटर इज 24 एंड इट इज डिवाइडेड बाय 2, so we will get 12 centimeters. So I have written already here, right? Outer radius, that is the 28, so it is divisible by 2 and we will get the 14 centimeter, that is the outer radius, right? And the height you can see 35 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. So the length of the pipe, which is exactly the height of the cylinder, right? So find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of the wood has the mass of 0.6 gram. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं ये जो चीज़ है यहाँ पर, दिस वैल्यू इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. It means that we have to find the density and we have to find the mass, right? So first of all, for that what we need to do, so we have calculated the radius, inner radius and the outer radius 14 centimeter, and now we will put the formula of the volume, right? यहाँ पर हम वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे. यू कैन सी वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वुड यूज्ड इन द पाइप. वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वुड यानी कि इस पाइप को बनाने के लिए, दिस पाइप इज हॉलो, यानी अंदर से ये खाली है, बट दिस वुडन मटेरियल, यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज द सरफेस ऑफ द पाइप एंड इट इज मेड अप ऑफ द वुड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट वुड into that. So for that we can put the formula, because here we have the two radius, inner and the outer. So in this formula, pi capital R square minus small r square into h, यहाँ पर हम ये फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे. तो इस फॉर्मूले में क्या होगा, यहाँ पर you can see, right, the value of the pi, that is 22/7. यहाँ पर मैं डायरेक्टली वैल्यू पुट कर रहा हूँ, and here in the bracket you can see capital R, that is 14 centimeter, so I can write 14 square minus small r, that is the 12 square, right, and the h is 35. So you need to calculate this value. So 22/7 तो वैसा ही रहेगा 22/7, right. यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में अगर आप देखेंगे 14 स्क्वायर जो होता है that is equal to 196 and the 12 square is 144, right, and it is multiplied with 35, right. So you can write this value into the bracket. So students, here if we multiply this value 22/7 multiply 196 minus 144 and multiply with 35, so definitely we will get, what the value we will get, I can write here, you have to note down this value, right. इस values को आप मेरे साथ जो है नोट करते जाइए, because I have very little space over here, so I need to use this place, right. So we will get 22/7, and if I subtract the 144 from 190, right, 196, so I will get 52, right, and here is the 35, right, here is 35, so I can divide the 7 1 the 7 and 7 5 the 35. इस तरीके से हम यहाँ पर इसको कर सकते हैं, and ultimately you will get the 22 multiply 52 and multiply 5. So the final value, right, जो फाइनल वैल्यू जो हमको यहाँ पर मिलने वाली है वो होगी 5720 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, राइट, क्योंकि वॉल्यूम का जो यूनिट है वो कितना होता है, सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. सो 5720 ये हमारा क्या होगा, वॉल्यूम होगा. नाउ दे आर आस्किंग, राइट, व्हाट दे आर आस्किंग, वी हैव टू फाइंड द मटीरियल और वी हैव टू फाइंड द मास ऑफ द पाइप, राइट. तो यहाँ पर ये जो हमने जो देखा है 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब वॉल्यूम जो है दैट इज़ इक्वल टू 0.6 ग्राम. तो ये जो हमारी वैल्यू है 5720, इट शुड बी मल्टीप्लाई विद द 0.6 के साथ इसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमको करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर, ठीक है. तो चलते हैं, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं हम, यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन वी विल गेट द मास, राइट. हमको यहाँ पर मास ऑफ पाइप मिल जाएगा. सो हाउ वी कैन राइट मास ऑफ पाइप, राइट. मास ऑफ पाइप जो होगा वो होगा 5720 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 0.6. 0.6 can be written as 6/10. So here we can cancel this 0. So ultimately we have to multiply 6 and 572. So 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 6 7s are 42 or 1, 43, and carry is 4, 6 5 the 30 and 4, that is the 34. Right. So you can see that 3432 gram, right, एंड इफ़ यू कन्वर्ट दिस वैल्यू, राइट, अगर आप इस वैल्यू को कन्वर्ट करेंगे, सो दिस वैल्यू इज़ इनटू द ग्राम, राइट, आप यहाँ पर देख रहे होंगे कि ये जो वैल्यू है ग्राम में मिला है, एंड इफ़ वी वांट टू कन्वर्ट दिस वैल्यू इनटू द किलोग्राम, सो दिस वैल्यू शुड बी डिवाइडेड बाय 1000, राइट। अगर आप इसको 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे, सो what volume of the pipe or the mass of the pipe you will get, just it would be 3.432 किलोग्राम, राइट। तो 3.432 किलोग्राम ये हमारा फाइनल आंसर होगा। यू कैन चेक दिस वैल्यू विथ योर आंसर शीट विच इज़ गिवन इन द टेक्स्ट बुक, राइट, back side of the textbook you can confirm that, right. So definitely you will get this value. So I hope this question you have understand, right, and just repeat it by yourself and write it into the fair book, right. So whenever you see this video, just keep your pen and copy with yourself, so you can calculate very easily, right. जो मैं यहाँ पर बताता जा रहा हूँ आप उसको साथ में calculate करेंगे, right. So now we will move toward the question number 3 of the exercise, right. So this is the question in front of you, right. So now students, we have the question number 3. What the question number 3 says, a soft drink is available in 2 packs, right. आपको सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक पीना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, एंड सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक जो है वो 2 शेप्स में अवेलेबल है। जस्ट लाइक वन इज़ अ टीन कैन विद द रेक्टेंगुलर बेस of the 5 centimeter and the width 4 centimeter and having the height 15 centimeter, and another one that is the plastic cylinder with circular base of the diameter 7 centimeter and the height 10 centimeter, right. तो ये दोनों ही जो यहाँ पर मैंने जो कंटेनर आपको 2 पैक बताएं वो दोनों ही यहाँ पर मैंने आपके सामने बना रखे हैं पहले से ही। सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट कंटेनर and this is the second container, right. So you can see first container is in the shape of the cuboid and the second container is in the form of the cylinder. So the dimensions of the cuboid and the cylinder are given. So what they are asking, which container has the greater volume, right. यानी किस कंटेनर में यहाँ पर सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक की क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा होगी ये पूछा जा रहा है आपसे, राइट. सो सिंपली वी हैव टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम. So here you can see on the screen the length of the cuboid, that is the 5 centimeter, and the breadth 4 centimeter and the height 15 centimeter is already given, and the volume of the tin can is already find out, right. यहाँ पर वॉल्यूम भी उन्होंने पहले से निकाल के रखा हुआ है. That is not given in the question, but I have written in the solution that is the 300 centimeter cube, because the cuboid portion we have done in the previous exercise 13.5, इसलिए उसको मैं यहाँ पर आपके लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ. That is already solved into the solution, that is the 300 centimeter cube. आप इसको यहाँ पर सर्कल भी कर सकते हैं, राइट. यहाँ पर आप इस वैल्यू को सर्कल कर लीजिए ताकि आपको पता रहेगा. नाउ दिस इज द टॉपिक ऑफ द सिलेंडर, सो डेफिनेटली वी विल फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर आपको मालूम है यहाँ पर क्या होता है, पाई आर स्क्वायर एच होता है, राइट. पाई आर स्क्वायर एच ये होता है, राइट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला वी कैन फाइंड द वॉल्यूम, राइट. तो वॉल्यूम निकाल लेते हैं. एज वी नो दैट द वैल्यू ऑफ द पाई इज 22/7 एंड हियर the radius is 7/2. So 7/2 that is into the square, so we can write it 2 times, and the height is 10, right. So simply by the division method यहाँ पर हम cancel out कर सकते हैं. 7 is cancelled by 7 and 2 can cancel the 22, right, and this 2 can cancel the 10 as the 5, right. ये cancellation हो सकता है. So what are the remaining value? All the denominators are cancelled out, so the remaining value will be 11 multiply 7 multiply 5, right. So simply you can calculate the value, and what the answer you will get, that is the 77 into 5. So 5 7s are 35 and 3, 5 7s are 35 and 3 38. So 385 you will get the volume of the cylinder. यहाँ पर जो वैल्यू आपको दिख रही है इसका जो टोटल वैल्यू आपको मिलेगा वो मिलेगा 385, राइट. 385 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, राइट. यहाँ पर आपने देखा था इस जगह पे सेंटीमीटर क्यूब कितना है 300, और यहाँ पर सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम जो है 385 है. सो सिंपली यू कैन सी दैट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज ग्रेटर देन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूबॉइडल वेसल, राइट. सो यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि कितना वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा है. यहाँ पर आपको पूछा भी है कि कितने वॉल्यूम का डिफरेंस है दोनों में, दोनों के वॉल्यूम में कितना डिफरेंस है ये भी पूछ रहे हैं, राइट. सो वी कैन सिंपली सब्ट्रैक्ट 385 and 300, right. So simply we can see the 85 centimeter cube, right? 85 centimeter cube, यानी कि the volume of the cylinder is greater than the volume of the cuboid by 85 centimeter cube. So this is the answer of your question, right? So students, I hope this method would be very easy for you, and these questions are also very simple, right? But you need to practice it, because surface area and volume, that is also useful for the 10th class. So in this class we are only learning about the simple solids and the single solids, but in the class 10 you will have the combined solids. So just practice it, just learn it, just keep watching these videos, and don't be lazy at your home. So as I have already requested you in the classroom previously, राइट, बिकॉज अभी आपका 1 वीक ही हुआ है फिर से जो लॉकडाउन की कंडीशन आई है, बट द स्टडी शुड गो ऑन, राइट. स्टडीज़ आपकी चालू रहते रहना चाहिए. इसमें टोटल क्वेश्चन 5 आने वाले हैं आपको 13.6 में, एंड द टू क्वेश्चंस आई लेफ्ट फॉर यू. दिस इज़ द होमवर्क एंड यू नीड टू सबमिट मी द होमवर्क, राइट. आपको इसका जो PDF है वो हम सेंड कर देंगे, एंड आई होप कि आप पूरी एनर्जी के साथ जो हैं पढ़ाई में लगे हैं, बिकॉज देयर मे बी द एग्जामिनेशन, सो यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट. यू हैव टू मेंटेन योर सिंसियरिटी, एनर्जी लेवल, right? So don't be lazy, and I wish to the God we will recover very early from this situation. This is very critical condition, and we will meet into the classroom. So all the very best for your learning and the examinations. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep enjoying the mathematics. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.